Where is, in Persian.
کجاست؟
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey traveler. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in, unfold your imaginary map, and if it talks back, don't panic, just ask.
کجاست؟
And watch it behave. Today you'll learn to find bathrooms, stations, and snacks without becoming a legend on the Lost Tourist leaderboard. Your goal today. You'll master one power question and use it everywhere, fast and friendly. Target phrase. Where is?
کجاست؟
Polite opener. Excuse me.
ببخشید.
Put them together.
ببخشید. کجاست؟
Key place words you'll plug in.
دستشویی.
Bathroom.
رستوران.
Restaurant.
هتل.
Hotel.
ایستگاه.
Station.
نقشه.
Map. Mini dialogue at the metro. Listen and repeat. You're the curious traveler, and funny on purpose. You.
ببخشید ایستگاه مترو. کجاست؟
Staff.
آنجاست مستقیم برو.
It's there, go straight. You. Double check.
نقشه. کجاست؟
Staff. Points right next to you.
اینجاست.
It's here. Narrator. The map whispers, I'm the map, not the app. You. Still asking.
کجاست؟
Like a pro. Pronunciation jam. Feel the rhythm, your mouth is a drum kit for Persian. Clap clap rest, chant.
کجاست؟
Say the core word.
کجا؟
Where. Add, is.
است.
Together.
کجاست؟
Pro tip. Round the A, like in, spa.
کجا؟
Keep the final, street, crisp.
کجاست؟
Travel drills. Answer fast, pretend your coffee is getting cold. Bathroom.
ببخشید دستشویی. کجاست؟
Restaurant.
ببخشید رستوران. کجاست؟
Hotel.
ببخشید هتل. کجاست؟
Station.
ببخشید ایستگاه. کجاست؟
Map.
ببخشید نقشه. کجاست؟
Likely answers you'll hear.
اینجاست.
It's here.
آنجاست.
It's there. Gesture and smile. Culture tip. Bizarre magic. A smile plus a polite word opens doors and snack trays. In a bustling.
بازار.
Start with.
ببخشید.
Raise your eyebrows, open your palms, and ask clearly.
کجاست؟
Memory rhyme. Lost in Tehran? Don't wait or fast, just ask out loud.
کجاست؟
Quote. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud and celebrate tiny wins. Q1, in Persian, how do you ask, where is?
کجاست؟
Q2, true or false?
چیست؟
Means, where is? False. It means, what is it? Q3, complete politely.
ببخشید. کجاست؟
Q4, hear it. Bebekshid, kojist? In English, where is? Memory hacks. Stick it in your brain with fun and a pinch of weird. Mind Palace. At your front door a neon sign blinks.
کجاست؟
Walk through it to remember. Mnemonic. Kojist sounds like, go just, you, go just, where it is after you ask.
کجاست؟
Beat loop. Clap clap rest and chant.
کجاست؟
Until your tongue dances. Challenge time. Time to roam, no GPS, just charm and your new phrase. Ask for the map.
ببخشید نقشه. کجاست؟
At the hotel, find food.
ببخشید رستوران. کجاست؟
Emergency dash.
ببخشید دستشویی. کجاست؟
Bonus sci-fi, on Mars Base 1.
اکسیژن. کجاست؟
Answer like a local if asked back.
اینجاست.
Or.
آنجاست.
Wrap up. High five, you unlocked a travel superpower today. You learned to ask, where is, in Persian.
کجاست؟
Plus polite.
ببخشید.
And handy places like.
ایستگاه.
And.
رستوران.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing with a smile, and grab more bite-sized lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com.